Smile.
Look at him. He's ugly.
She's talking about the cat. Her girl.
It's staring at me.
Ew.
Don't look at me.
How long does this last? As long as you want to. Are you bored?
Mm-hmm. What are you doing?
Wait a minute. Oh yeah, we can definitely like run that. It's like it's all gotta be blonde. That's what we're going for. Blonde. Yeah, like that. Oh. It's like an emo pose right there. Oh. You moved your eyes. There you go. Back to emo pose. Want to see something disgusting?
No.
Oh. Oh. It's on my head.
Ew. Why do you have something disgusting on your head?
Because it was bleeding. Somebody swung a bat at my head.
Oh, that's not very nice.
I know, I tried to kick their butts, but, you know, a bat at your head, you ain't gonna get up right away.
I'll beat them up for you.
They're really strong.
Oh, I might get beat up.
Maybe we could all three jump them.
I don't know her.
Yes, you do. You
She's
just
got a funny looking shirt.
You know her. She's just absent from your memory right now. Doesn't it suck to be forgotten?
Yeah.
See? Now you know how I feel. She does it to me. I just think she's forgotten me so many times, and I've told her so many times I was that she remembers.